Ist also der Narrenbahn. Ist der real one. The real one. Damn it! There's the white one. Oh, ich kann mich kaum bücken, hat er gesagt, oder? Klaus? Klaus. Hello and welcome back to CarX, klar to another version of Asphalt Legend Unite on Death Nation CD account. Already I was on DK Virgin account. Just to give a little reputation in your way. So this is the episode, I really do not know. 190, I don't know. I'm just doing some sucking the dust into box. Man, I hasn't dented with accident, some kind of, I don't know, but inside my mouth actually hurts. Since yesterday, actually since 2 days, but since yesterday it hurts. So I couldn't sleep very well. It's raining out there, thundering out there. So at the beginning, as I was going to my job, actually already was saying actually I'm staying home today. And here we are. Man, is those blaster actually even gone so loud? Crazy. Oh, I do not know what happened in here. I changed a little bit something on, I think, Death Nation for Real account. So something was going wrong there. Alright, I think I'm done. Tomorrow we get a lot of actually lousy deliveries. I'm already ashamed a bit. Because I thought enough actually to get collecting acrylic fissures. And so I'll get actually 3 of them. Then I get actually a lot of stuff from Amazon. Actually, it was pre-ordered for a month ago. Today I get actually 2 of them as well. Cereals, candies. I don't know. Man, the wind outside. Nobody's watching anyway. What shall we do done now? Oh, what's happened there? Hold on. Still weird. Hold on. No. What did I just done? Oh, crack. Seriously weird. Did I just do that somehow Sunday? No, sitting position is normal. I say God. Hold on a sec. Just need to set up the live stream. So as I was saying, actually I was already on DJ Virgin account actually for a half hour long. As I was watching actually some documentation actually on YouTube. And sorting actually some hard drive stuff. And cell phone stuff. We have 30 minutes after 9 o'clock. Of course PM. No, it's AM. Let me just check out if the microphone even works. Hello? Hello? Yo? Hello? Better to have one. Why is this chat always so slow? As example, I'm coming in here right now on desktop on these Internet Explorer Edge. Open up my Death Nation for Real account actually on YouTube. And since actually a month now, these kind of live chat, top chat, that takes actually kind of 2 minutes to show up. until you can write down something. That's why I have cell phone on, getting fast reaction in here. I do not know what's going on actually. Totally fucked up. Monday. Okay. What the hell is this on? I hear weird noises. Oh, was ist denn hier passiert? Wie ist denn das nach oben gerutscht? Okay, wahrscheinlich die ganze Zeit wegen dem. Und hier rutscht es runter. Brauchen wir Gold zum Verfolgen. Bin mir ist er hängen geblieben. So welcome back actually right now to this Asphalt Legends Unite episode 193 on Dev Nation CP account on PlayStation Network ID. Let's just check actually out this account again. We did it actually in 30 minutes with all these daily goals. So let's see. Done the jam. Oh, the live chat is not even yet online. Come on. Here we go. That took 2 minutes, man. Yeah, I'm actually listening Spotify over earplugs.
Live jam on Spotify here from my playlist URL.
Get the headset actually on for usually listening the game, but as you see, I hate the BGM, getaway stuff. Call it always BGM, background music. Not a fan of it, especially YouTube. There's 3 songs actually in there. They make a little content, so you can't monetize. I'm not actually a monetizer anyway, but it's not like that one. It's just like, I don't know, I hear the songs too much. I just want to listen to something else. Since 4 years actually in Core X, I just was always listening to Spotify. And I don't want to actually quit Spotify as well, because I have so many playlists, and there's so good music in there. And to give away actually this account is shitty. Who is deleting actually Spotify accounts? Who just say, I don't need it anymore, and just deleting it. I was going this year actually back for a month ago from premium to basic account. I thought actually premium is something better, but there's only one thing better. You can actually listening hearbooks for a couple of hours, 12 hours I think it was. And I never hear actually hearbooks, because on construction side I came not on the idea to have an ear plug actually on the left or right side actually in my ear when I'm actually construction working. This is stupid. We have one construction worker dealing done all the times with that, and I don't need that. It's weird. As I was practicing for 20 years ago, actually starting up my construction work, and I was getting actually a radio cable actually, or better say earplug, but actually was with cable, still in cable there. And I was taking actually 5 minutes, then my boss saw me and was saying actually kind of, this is stupid what you're dealing done, get this stuff away, you can have that at home in the construction breakdown or something on the breaks, but not actually in work itself. What shall we take? Call 112. Okay, fire department. Is that the Ferrari? No, holy shit, no, never. Oh, push button. Yes, I have no good money actually in my bank account running. Yeah, when I can go down here, but you know, let's go firstly up to this one. So I'm starting to drink alcohol. I already see that my English is gonna be a piece of shit. But I have dentist problems, better say, in my mouth. I don't know what it is. It's not the flash. It is actually the flash, but sometimes it's all the tooths on the left side. Sometimes it's just one tooth. Then it's up and down. It's weird. It's weird. Can't help myself actually something out of it. Sometimes it's pain. Sometimes it's itchy. It's so fucked up. I don't know what it is. Also getting actually to press on it. Press. See, already was actually gone. The DJ Bolgin. For definition for real, goddammit. Yeah, yesterday I just was playing analog. That means all the times I'm playing automatic. And the loser of actually the whole month is Junichiro Yamamoto. We have to care about this week. Because I don't want to lose actually Junichiro Yamamoto. Junichiro, doesn't matter. Actually, as my main hustle account. Already on this account we need only 40 careers and then I got platinum. Then I don't care. Can be definition CP or definition for real then. At this chair, seriously. And I was eating actually the whole 2 days, the last day, 2 days actually. Oh man, if you have some kind of infection or is it something else or it just hurt and sometimes it's just shitty. I can't talk actually very good. It's like actually you have your tongue on the left side and try to speak. It's not working. And so it's actually kind of not pain, but actually, yeah, but itchy pain or something. I don't know what it is, okay? I'm not bleeding. I'm not nothing. I don't know. It's just so cleaned up and don't know. I can't find something. Something makes problems with my teeth, you know. Sometimes the other teeth actually saying, I'm hurt as well, I'm itchy as well. I don't know what's really going on. Dentist is actually in... hold on. Oh gosh. Yeah, 23 days. Amazing. How long you like the pain to have in your mouth? Oh shit, what I just did. I was getting a message and then I shut off my cell phone. Oh, come on, you beast. Right, like ever. I was drove in that? Okay. I do not know when it was the last time I was playing this, actually, this account. I think it was for 5 or 6 days ago. Oh, even more. Huh. Did we not play that one? Okay. Need to open up a beer. Whoa. Oh, a Thunderstrike. What's this knocking sound all the times? Brain clusters are dying. Yeah. Let's make it automatic. There's 2 accounts actually I couldn't actually win anyway in here. It's all about the time. Got my color work, goddammit. My paint shop. Used to be. Another one? Yep. To swing in, car. Oh, you have to be in here. No. Oh, sure. Someone needs to die now. Revenge, cause my color paint, my paint job, I mean, god damn it. Where the hell you came from? What is the opposite side for? It's always forgessen. Income? No. Homecoming? No, something like your homecoming. Downpouring? Like you're saying, actually, you're coming to the finish line saying homecoming or something. This crap. I don't know. You know, is that then downpouring? See, that was only just actually 2 gulps of beer, and my brain starts up to react for some ideas. Let's give it a whole can. Maybe the brain activity stops then completely. I can't even cringe, it hurts a bit actually on my jaw. I don't know what it is, okay? There was no fight or something. I didn't eat actually. Yeah, okay, maybe crunchy a bit. Maybe that's why. But I'm not bleeding actually on my flesh actually. On the tooth. Around, of course. Weird. I don't know. The last 2 days I didn't smoke. Wow. Okay, that's a record. Normally we have a 60 or 80 actually. I know on the other 2 accounts, Need for Speed Takeshi's Auto and Definition for Real. Yeah. Bloop, 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 bloop. How many do we have anyway? Can we see that in here? No? 5 seconds airtime for 5. What was that again? I was saying visual tokens, but they're calling actually paint tokens? No, what was that again? I don't care. Visual tokens. Huh. That began to calling different. I didn't watch it. What are you doing? Ooh, 33,000 of airtime. Yucky. Oh, right. One time's crash. That's the another lost position. Order in. Get over there. Yeah, watch what's coming up next. I think that was 4 days ago. I was crashing into this. Oh, not this time. Oh, come on. Where they coming from? You saw you first, second, third, fourth. No, that was Thursday, Friday? I was saying I couldn't actually brake anymore and I was crashing into the wall after the second spin barrel roll stuff there. Style tokens, here we go. Oh gosh, hang myself. I say visual tokens, right? They're calling it style tokens. Yeah. To Yeah, you need kind of 120 tokens or something to maybe have another color, maybe another rim on the core. Nothing. Oh yeah, here we go. I thought so. Loss less actually of credits. Oh man, my mouth. Change it to the zoom sign here. Well, I like it. I hate it. Oh, I hate it. There's kind of these. There's a like, there's a dislike, and then there's actually a hate sign or something in there. Kind of a get lost sign. Maybe 20 years, then there's an improve sign in there. You can improve it, and you get actually itself actually private message on YouTube how you can improve actually your account. But honestly, stop your talking when something is correct. I wish you cure. Get well. The wonderful, fantastic feeling is all the times people's watching and really don't, or maybe can't, I don't know, getting out, sending actually a commentary. Hey, you bastard, I don't understand nothing what you're telling me. You're too fast. When you dial like this, just, I can't handle it, okay? The only option then is, have a great time. Some kind of this. Nothing. This is just gone. But there's other actually live streamers, of course, they have dealing done in 5 seconds, 20 messages, and this is bullcrap. I can't handle that one. I'm playing or actually watching my commentaries. There's only then it's the way for influencer or being a YouTuber or something, a Twitcher, that I'm actually going find a video and just commentary, actually just moderate that video and just talking over that video, of course. It already was live streamed or streamed, uploaded, better say. And then at the same time I can actually watch the commentaries. But sit down in here, smoking my cigarette, drinking a beer, and having actually a little fun in here, or not, listening to music at the same time, and yeah. Translating that German into English, a big conflict. More and more. Let's win the race and do something else, okay. Kind of a card we can use. It's gotta be worse and worse for me then. Okay. Probably need a decor. Was there some specification? Decor. Execute this one. Nothing special actually. Do we have an A class with 47 seconds? I don't know. There was one account we didn't get an A core so long. Here we go. Okay. Try to get both of these cars actually as. No, hold on. It was only this car. 2, 3. Yeah, let's try. Pump up a little bit the core. Daily Golder. 1000. What you want? Oh, come on. What's that? Oh, yeah. Day's a little bit ugly today. Couple of hours, I need to change my underwear because they're not getting better and the farts getting more and more. To prove the day is a little bit ugly. So 47 seconds, it's impossible, but let's try. god, this is so unfair. Yeah, I hit that corner. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That was so close. We won at the 47 seconds. That was very close. Man, in these touch drive, it's easy to drive there, and also the car is braking somehow better than you can do done. You can brake, of course, with L2, but it's not actually braking. It's just like actually you're still actually driving and braking at the same time, but overdose actually your brakes and yeah, overdose them and actually overheating them. So it's not braking in this game. It's not 100% braking like in normal racing games, right? It's kind of, it brakes by 20%. You can't full brake. And on these mouse versus rubber or something I say all the time, it's kind of cops versus racers. You can feel that because you just want to brake, actually fully brake, actually complete down your car, and you can't because it's just kind of, in the same time it's pedaling through and having 80% of speed, just gassing through, and at the same time you're braking, nothing happens somehow. It feels zero. Yes, that you have no brakes anyway. And it makes it so rotten actually, this game. It's more like these Turbo Mania, no, what's that calling? Turbo Mania, Trackmania Turbo? Was that the name? Yeah. And the beginning was feeling like that as well, as you jump out of the balloon. There's only the the music comes faster and better, you know, with more beats. Briefing maybe. Kind of was missing actually on the balloon action there. Alright. Class 8. Done. Cool. Because I played first time actually for a couple of 10 years ago. Trackmania Turbo. It was a frustration. I was taking 2 days to come into this game, and mostly I was, I think, in the end then, after a month, but 80% of that game because I loved it so much. I tried it for 1 or 2 years ago. I couldn't get into this game anymore. I loved actually to have the music then. It's going faster, how faster you get, or just more action, or how far you actually get into this track. But I couldn't handle it anymore. And then you're really feeling like you're getting old. Gosh, hell. Yeah. Badonk-a-donk. Buy cards. Boy. Well, there's some transcript. If you have wildcard A, you can wildcard B actually, and you have 10 of them to convert them to one wildcard A. Or they just deleted that stuff. I don't know. This kind to get information in this game is so fucked up. Play seasonal event. What just happened in here? Even we won once. Nah. Guess what? Hololive live. It's Hololive action. Coming up. Excuse myself. It was by purpose. The life of a German Bavarian. Doesn't matter, you know it. Along these events going, we taking everything. DJ Watchin actually claimed everything because I was saying actually, oh, that was actually very good at this. That guy I played some days, Drunk Actions, very good. And that was actually 6,250 of them. But actually I never played that before, but actually was coming actually good forward. So what we played today, Oh, I can't remember what kind of a stage. It was with this board. That was this event. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's this roll stuff, and I was getting actually today 233, something like that. Yeah. So we need 4 stunts. That is actually my aim. Okay. Would you let me go down, please? Oh, seriously, you're thinking I'm not needing done that next button there down below. I'm pressing everything on controller. D-pad down, the analog stick down, going forward, backward to maybe slip down. This is so terrifying. So first up this one. Three times the action. 14,600 was in meters. That was my today record on DJ Virgin account.
Just think of it as the Autobahn.
Dem Spoilern Prinzessin auch nicht, was ich KFP. Der Song sitzt. Car, where are we going? Car. Oh, I have no nitro. Oh, come on, I pressed actually the right button. I can't even get it by manual. Come on. Oh, he already was there. God damn it. Not this time. Oh well, something. You little bastard. What do we have to hide? He's hiding in here. No! I fucked it up. Maybe. To be sure about the stunts. That was a good one. Not my record, but whatever. Man, I failed once. One route was actually for nothing. Oh, the rainfall feels like actually snow is falling. Oh, look, the air time as well. Nice. Some little money cash in. Cheers. Well, met meiner Stimme hörte das. You're better. Wrong with my throat. Would you do, please? Let's do another one. Another one. The struggle continues. Let's get the car in motion. Let's get the car in motion. Oh, struggle!
Time to give it your best!
My neck!
Let's go!
Aha, it's from the beginning you only can deal down that one. Here we go. Oh, that gear is in. Cool. Oh, I hate you, always forgetting that. There we go, you have no options to go to the left anymore. It's so fucked up. Oh, what the hell was that? Reaction 0. Holy shit. Oh man, yeah, whatever. No risk, no fun. Using a lot of time, sir. In sight. Time is ticking. You never know. Ooh. You never know. 2027. 6 left. But why only 12,405? 14,600 something else it was by 233. That was my record today. Get it done. Killing floor. Run, you little habit. Okay, that was 40. I think that was 70. Oh, we can beat a little bit in here, but I was getting actually 29 today as well. So somehow it feels like the first time you try, you have the best luck. 77 it was in here. Here we go. And the other one, you're getting somehow worse, right? I don't know why. A struggle contest. Finish the race. Or collect 30. Something else? Nitro time 10 seconds. Okay. A 40. No, get down there. Come on. Oh my gosh, please. Mission correct.
All right, Jailbird, if you win this one, I promise I'll improve your union contract. So, give it all you've got.
Struggle continues. As you wish. I can't watch. God damn. Hope we beat our record. Record. Struggle continues. Oh, new record. Performance perfect runs. Now, I'll be right back. Need to go to pee. I do not know what the hell you doing done tonight. Today. Oh, I'm already up tonight. It's actually even 2 hours from midday. Saying already tonight. Consolation. Hey. Gonna get some wash powder. The struggle continues. I can't speak that. Here comes the struggle. Ordentlich ein Abseilen. Wollte ich nicht eigentlich pinkeln gehen? Löblich, löblich. Da hat es mich jetzt gewundert, dass die Katze nicht abgehauen ist. Ja, ist doch gut, die ist jetzt gerade auf dem Klo. Diese Lautstärke hier.
Der ist doch geschlagen, ja. Ist egal, was der ist, ja.
Die scheiße Brüche ohne Mo. Oh, hier stinkt's nach Scheiße, ey. Ich hoffe, hier spricht keiner Deutsch. Ja. Gestern so ungefähr 6 Packungen GEFO gefressen. Trotz mir nicht wunder, dass ich auf einen Schlag 124 wieder wiege von 119 weg. Ja, ist doch gut jetzt. Oh. Hüfte läuft da schon noch, oder? Sonst kommt dieses Ghost of Tsushima. 3 Pizzen gefressen. Und Gemüse dazu. Richtiges Corned Beef auf gut Deutsch. Ja, das hört nicht auf, ne? Das ist ja ein sinnloser Tag gewesen. Spiel so laut. Delirium. Wanda Electronics Delirium. Filled up with alcohol only. Look at that. Oh man, I totally stopped pinned this on. Well, I pinned it on Top Chat, Live Chat. I can leave these, what I'm listening for. It calls Live Jam on Spotify. If you have Spotify, just have a little click on and actually you get selectified actually to decide on Spotify where I'm playing this playlist on my account on Spotify, and then you can actually listen what I'm listening for or changing the tracks as well on these. What we listen for is as well Legend X. I created for 4 months ago, 3 months ago. I actually can't remember. Cheers up, Campina, Strawberry, Salut, Goldbrust, die Schneck spielen.
Kindereibürschchen.
School Booby. School Booby. School Boy. Ole. Oh yeah. That's what we need. Says 100 SP. How to get 100 SP? How that works again? Social project. We'll have to be done, man. Let us try something else. So that was stage 8. Drift a little bit. I just really want to go down. Here we go. God damn it. It's not actually pressing down below actually the deep button or analog stick. No. I don't know. It's not working. You have to go left, right, and down pressing at the same time. Sometimes you get them, or you just actually need to get out, and then you can press the next button. Alright. Cheers again. Good thing. Convernos. Yes, of course. Oh man, what's my paint job? Watch out! Of course. You can do it. Why is this car so slow? You're driving at 280 km/h, but the car feels like you're driving 80 km/h. What's the deal? We are driving 200 No joke. No problem to say the other cars are moving 180 km/h. Right? 135 miles per hour, it doesn't matter. But for me, the car moves actually like 20 miles per hour instead of 100 miles per hour. Something is wrong. That feeling for driving that Lexus is weird. If you drive in the other cars, it rolls. It gives effect. It's some kind, you feel already 200 miles per hour you're driving. But this car, you're driving actually kind of close to 180 miles per hour. But it feels like actually you're driving 50 miles per hour. It stands. It's still. You can step out the car, go pee, and go running to the car back. Because it didn't move actually 5 meters. Or yards, doesn't matter. Come on. It's a weird feeling to drive that vehicle, dude. Tucky, rocky, mucky, chucky.
New record broken.
What the feeling is like to drive that vehicle? It's like you're in a time loop. Time is standing still or something. For hard. The tachometer actually says you're driving 200 km/h, but it feels like you're driving 35 km/h or something. This is such a weird feeling to drive that vehicle. Or maybe the comfort is so highly actually with that vehicle. That is so weird. Oh, come on, shut up, right? Sorry. Coughing problems? You're smoking too much? Hang yourself. Go to Orbi, get a string, I mean a rope, and actually some hook. Well, you're just dealing done with that, I don't care. Maybe you just want to become a boxer. Maybe you just want to become a hangman. Shut up, Kampai, in Australia, cities are called prostitute next stream. Man, so my mouth hurts, but it's actually my jaw side on the left. It's fucked up. It's so weird to drive that vehicle. When it says 200 km/h, it feels like actually you're driving 50 kilometers or something. Or miles per hour, I mean. It's so weird. How we doing? Critical Battle War. Done for today. leaving. Later on, maybe? Let's go to the bank in here. Did we get done that already? Oh, oh my, look at that. For 5 minutes ago. Wow. 10-0. Seinen Dyson wird er zeigen. Glückenhausen. Another VIP pack I can grab today. Wow, perfect timing, man. Perfect timing on this. This is actually the second lowest account I have now. Just a lucky account now. That's crazy, man. Playing the last, or better said, the last 2 weeks actually a lot of Dead Nation for real. Crazy. And I'm actually so far actually like Dead Nation CB account as the Japanese account, better say, Yamamoto Unijiro, is close, very close to Platinum, where DJ Vol'jin already was going through for 3 months ago. Oh my gosh, yeah. But I'm not playing every day. So you have to respect actually to say, this is... Can we have done something in here as well? No? Okay. This is because I'm playing other media games as well. Yeah, we got another cross. Cool. Oh, that's actually very... in work in the career mode, single player mode, so that's why it's just cleaned up in here. You need the car to go to the career mode for, I think, what's that calling? One challenger list or something? Think, goddammit, think! I don't care. Already did. Oh, we can claim something. Now that's something else. Oder selbst der Kopfhörer, der drückt gerade voll auf meinen Schal. Ich weiß nicht, was das für eine Kacke ist, aber... Claim, Meister. Claim de la claim. Ha! Nice, nice. Turn up, girl. Dang, I don't know why. Nothing to claim yet. So actually that's it, right? See what we can deal done actually in the career mode. Oh, we run out, yeah, I totally forgot. Ah, look at that, perfect. Oh, that struggle. Struggle. Opened 50 card packs. Holy shit, I did that. Ah. There was another button. Another one.
The Dodge Viper Man.
Gosh, where's my car? Oh, then it was another account that just did that. Termodla GT. It was only you. Is this one counting as well? Yeah, it counts as well. Now I'm okay with claiming. So that was exactly an hour and 3 minutes, where I just was in half hour on the other one. But this is a live stream and not actually pushing through stuff. So we see us actually on the next account, on Need for Speed Takeshi Sato account, and then I'm leaving to the construction compound, because these are the last days actually for the Poland. Actually go home and just visit us a little bit. That was number 3, right? It's gonna be number 4. So thank you very much for watching. Coming up the next 5 minutes actually, the Need for Speed Takeshi Sato account. Better say, the what's it calling? The leader actually of these Dev Nation clan crew, of course. Club. So be right back. Thank you very much. To watch around a bit. Be right back. Thank you very much. Matane.